Here's how to do the Gabriella hand dance. First, anyway, there's 4 steps. First, you're gonna start by doing this. This is step 1. Step 2, you're gonna do this. And then this, step 3. And then step 4. And then going back to the first one. Now let's do it slowly. And work our way up to being fast.